Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Use 3 pounds of bone-in chicken and 8 cups of water to start the broth. Start by blanching the chicken briefly in boiling water, then discard that water to remove impurities. Char 1 4-inch piece of ginger and 1 medium onion over open flame or under broiler until blackened, then rinse gently. Toast 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cloves, 3 star anise and 1 cinnamon stick in a dry pan until aromatic. These steps build a clean, fragrant base for classic chicken pho. Transfer charred aromatics, toasted spices and blanched chicken to a large pot with 8 cups water and bring to a gentle simmer. Simmer the broth gently, uncovered, for 45 minutes after adding chicken, keeping heat low so it does not boil vigorously. Taste and adjust seasoning. Add 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon sugar, balancing savory and sweet. Remove chicken, strain the liquid through a fine mesh, and skim fat and impurities to serve a clear, balanced, aromatic pho broth. Prepare 8 ounces of flat rice noodles according to the package. Soak briefly if required, then cook until tender, drain and rinse in cool water. While noodles rest, shred the chicken from bones and reserve 2 cups for bowls. Reserve any concentrated cooking juices for flavor. Reheat strained broth to nearly boiling, then place noodles in warmed bowls, top with shredded chicken and pour hot broth over to heat ingredients. Serve with bean sprouts, Thai basil, lime wedges, jalapeno slices and hoisin for customized, fresh flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.